Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025.
A monitor?
Yeah.
So it has those black bars on the sides?
Yeah.
Ours automatically detects what's the best resolution for the device and goes full screen,
So it's just another unit for your phone, your iPad, and all that stuff.
and other Windows, yeah.
Yeah, is it going to be the similar price as the Portal for Microsoft Portal?
No, it's a free download. You don't have to pay.
No, but I'm talking about the actual
Oh, you mean the controller?
hardware? Yeah.
No, sorry, the Kishi controller, the Kishi Ultra. It's $150.
Okay, that's cheaper, yeah.
But it has haptics on the Android and Windows versions, but not on iOS, because iOS will always do that.
Now, one last question on this one. If what's the lowest model you can go on? I know it has to be Type C.
Yeah, it's Type C right now.
So Type C would be
we do have Lightning ones out there, but those are starting to fade away.
Yeah, they're fading away on that part. All right. So I'll take a look at his demo.
Yeah, and they got the other.
So what do you explain to me? Stream. You turn on your monitor, your system. If you have a good rig, you're able to stream back into the actual handheld here. So the model itself, it's about close to $150 on this part, and it has all these key buttons. Of course, right now it's on the docking station, but